Today, we are taking cornbread to a smoke comfort food level. We've got jalapenos, sharp cheddar, a silky honey butter glaze, and a brown butter twist that makes this taste like you baked it in a barbecue joint. Stick around to the end so you can see that cheesy slice and how I can get these crispy edges on the Traeger every single time. Here's what you need for a 10 to 12 inches cast iron skillet cornbread. We're starting with our twist brown butter. This adds a nutty, toasty flavor that works perfectly with the smoke and cheese. Let this melt, then keep it going until the milk solids turn golden and it smells nutty, like toasted hazelnuts. In a big bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. This is where we start building the flavor. Add your shredded cheese and diced jalapenos right into the mix and stir to coat so they don't all sink to the bottom of your cornbread.
And it's time to start mixing all the wet ingredients.
In another bowl, whisk together your eggs and buttermilk. Now slowly drizzle in that brown butter while whisking it so we don't scramble those eggs. This gives us a rich, almost caramelized flavor through the whole cornbread. Let's mix this until you just stop seeing dry spot.
Lumpy is okay. Over mixing is how you get that tough cornbread. While that rests, let's talk about the setup. I'm using Lumberjack Pellets today. I love their apple blend because it gives a clean, balanced smoke that doesn't overpower the cheese and jalapenos. So we have the Traeger at 375 degrees, and that will give us enough heat to set the cornbread while keeping it moist and start picking up all that good smoke. So we're gonna put our skillet inside the smoker so to heat it up before we add our mixture to it, and that will guarantee you all that crispy edges and bottom.
Careful here, this pan is really hot. Add a tablespoon of butter and swirl around until it foams. This is going to fry the edges of the cornbread. Back into the smoker at 375 degrees. We are cooking this for 30 to 45 minutes or until the top is golden and a toothpick comes out mostly clean. Whisk this until it's silky. The salt and tiny bit of spice really make the sweetness pop.
And let's rotate our cornbread halfway through the cooking for an even cook. And look at that. Golden on top, set in the center, and crispy edges all around the skillet.
While it is hot, heat it with that honey butter so it soaks into all those little cracks. This is when the sweet, smoky, spicy thing really comes together.
Let's just give it a try. You get this from the Lumberjack Pellets and being smoked for 40 minutes in our Traeger smoker. You make this one for a barbecue and you're gonna be in cornbread duty for life. If you like and you try this jalapeno cornbread with brown butter, please drop me a comment and let me know how spicy you like it. Thanks for watching, and if you like great smoking and barbecue food, please hit that subscribe and like buttons so you can see all my content coming up.